Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Vivo Tonic. We, from the Daac Reviews Channel, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Vivo Tonic. I also have some really important alerts that I'll talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention so you don't make mistakes when using or making the purchase of Vivo Tonic. The first thing you need to know about Vivo Tonic is, be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Vivo Tonic is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Vivo Tonic, and does it really work? The answer is yes, Vivo Tonic works. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring great results. Vivo Tonic features a unique formula inspired by an ancient recipe used by Buddhist monks in Katmandu for thousands of years to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. This combination of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and essential herbs has been carefully selected to promote optimal body function, helping to maintain glucose balance. Free from chemicals and unnecessary fillers, this vegan and gluten-free formula offers incredible results for everyone. Packed with over 11 powerful and natural ingredients, including Banaba Leaf, Corosolic Acid, silymarin, berberine, resveratrol leaf, resveratrol, chromium, and alpha-lipoic acid. Vivo. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with Vivo Tonic, including numerous testimonials from customers who have used Vivo Tonic on the official website, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is somewhat obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Vivo Tonic for 60 days, and if you don't see results, or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel safe to use Vivo Tonic, but make sure you're buying it on the official website to guarantee the benefits of the warranty. Additionally, for Vivo Tonic to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months using this product due to its gradual effect. It's also important for you to know that Vivo Tonic has no side effects because it's natural. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy Vivo Tonic from, and also, if you buy the product, take it seriously. Remember that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Vivo Tonic really helps to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official product website is linked in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.